Engine.
Engine.
Hi guys. We are.
This is for my cousin.
Say what?
Yes, this is for my cousin.
It's a broken engine?
Yes.
What one?
If I break it, hey, I'm screwed. Because one is mine.
Why isn't it standing?
Leave it. I don't need the kill switch right now.
You're just gonna cut the kill switch off?
No, I'm gonna pull the thing off. If I knew how to solder, then yes, I would probably pull it off. It's making me mad. But I don't know how to solder. So.
It's a whole river.
Yeah, and I can't get nothing get into the thing. So that tells me there's one thing wrong. And I can't keep it like this. Actually, maybe
It's going to spree. Oh, leak.
Yeah, every time I go to
Do you
prime
have the vehicle to put it on?
No. I just need to fix it. That's the thing, every time I prime it, it comes out. Because it wasn't all the way out. So that's why. Please stay. Please don't leak.
Turn.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Why? I want to listen. I want to
So
hear
every
a pop
time I prime it, it
noise.
does leak. Yep. I don't have much left. Yeah. I need something to close this off. I can't see. And now we're getting. Oh, I need to put this
Like,
back
you
on.
see the piston.
Oh, it's lost. Oh. Wait. No. Okay, now I have to take it all apart.
Oh, the screw. That's why.
Oh.
That's
Because it's magnetic.
the screw is. Oh, I can see. There's a magnetic
What's in
weights.
your reservoir? Brake fluid?
No.
No, I emptied out the brake fluid because it was only like
Tiny
the
bit.
smallest tiny bit.
Fuel?
Yeah. Oh, it's leaking somewhere else too. Oh, that's not good. The whole thing's leaking all around.
Ring.
So I had to give me
Hello?
flathead.
What kind of
Flathead.
what flathead?
Just any flathead.
Leak the reservoir.
No.
Yeah, Jared's speaking. Alright,
Princess. No, look. Princess Pine.
Spot.
Princess Pine.
Help me.
From where?
My hands are full of brake fluid.
Gasoline.
No. Heat and two-stroke oil.
Did you say heat?
Yes.
How do you store heat in a bottle?
No. Look up what heat is.
Heat.
Heat.
Heat is something.
It's a fluid.
Heat is something that is a warmth.
No.
What the heck?
Kick off and plastic.
Ping pong, ping pong.
You know what? Where did the... Oh.
On the floor.
This is fuel?
No, it's... Oh.
Heat and two-stroke oil.
Not that way.
Was it sucky?
Good job. No.
Like
You got gas in the can when you just got two-stroke gas.
Two-stroke or... Two-stroke oil. It's oil.
This is all oil?
No, there's some heat in it to help it, actually.
It just runs on two-stroke oil?
No. I put some heat in there so we're completely. Where did the other one go?
What are you trying to do?
Put this back on. For now.
Well, what's the issue you're running? Is not getting fuel?
Yes. I'm having a feeling it's the gas line, which is most likely the problem.
It's just gravity feed.
Yeah, it's gonna happen. I can't do this because
It's gonna leak.
every time I
But
pry
does it have a? Does it have a? What does it have in here? Anything hooked to it?
Yes.
Your fuel line just runs into the bottom.
Yeah, there's a
There's a little filter inside.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, you going? Oh. Hey, you pull this out with those. Right, that.
This one?
Yes, that one. And squeeze. Damn! Holy crap. Okay, maybe not.
That positive cable isn't it good?
I mean, it just needs to get fuel into here. And it'll hopefully start. Give me a flathead screwdriver for this. There should be one in there. Somewhere.
It's a head.
In my book bag. Good. Good job.
How's it going, boys?
Not very well.
Engine won't
Is there
start.
anything I can
Fuel, fuel problems.
Okay, okay. Yeah, because no, not anything.
No.
Oh, there it goes. It's not leaking. No, never mind.
Do you want some? How about I give you a roll of paper towels too?
Yeah.
And some wipes. Yeah, no worries.
You have fuel getting it?
No,
Boys,
it's not.
Why is there a Fruit Loop in there?
It isn't.
What
That's
is
right.
it?
Where's the end of your fuel line?
Huh? It's right up here. Wait, stop. I'm gonna put it at the bottom if I can.
Yeah, put it so you can go in.
My hands are too oily. And that's all full of oil. Or mostly oil. I searched all around the garage for heat because we used to have like 30 bottles of it.
Yeah.
And it was sitting all under the porch.
Dry gas.
Uh-huh.
Isn't that dry gas?
Yeah. Which is probably all it really could have had.
I just brought these out.
Edward can help if he wants to.
Oh, so warm.
I mean, you don't really have to record it. You can. You should. Wait. I think it's getting that. Nope. No,
Not even
because it's
a bit.
not going through here.
Not even a bit.
Because it goes up to here and then...
Are you sure the fuel line is off?
No, it's... Watch. It gets through here. Because it was just leaking. That's why that's why all of that's there.
Looks like green diarrhea
See?
almost. Look at the green.
It's coming out. So it's not getting into here. Which means... I just need a regular screwdriver so I don't strip the hell out of this.
Your mixture's too thick too.
Probably.
Yeah, it's not gonna. It's more oil than gas.
And we all have any gas. Do you guys have any gas? Okay.
Yeah, I
Oh,
should.
you can do that tomorrow.
We had one. We have some for the weed whacker.
Actually, I
Why
could
don't
have
you
probably
just
just
insert it?
used just heat.
Why don't you just insert it into the gas? in the piston.
Yeah,
And it will fire up.
hopefully.
It's not gonna fire on this.
Too thick of it.
Even if you get it primed into there, it's not gonna run.
It's like basically just motor
It's all
oil.
It needs.
It's just motor
It
oil.
needs more heat or something.
Yeah, less thickness.
I was going to just put straight oil in here and then take the heat with me, which probably would have been a better idea.
Well, the heat isn't really a gas.
Open it. No, not in there. No. In this. It needs to go in
The
that.
heat just goes in your gas tank to dry the gas out.
That's not what I'm looking for.
You can't mix heat with the oil.
Not,
Gonna be.
not that much.
No.
Because I didn't empty it out enough.
Oh man, there's a little bit.
Okay.
Trying to look at the carbon that's on the top of the piston. Bop.
Yeah, because the clutch is right here, and this is all taken apart because you need to get this off, which I need. Actually, this.
What do I need to disassemble it for?
Cause I am.
It's a ratio.
Hey, don't do that. You'll actually burn the thing out.
How am I gonna burn the thing out if it's only like one rotation per second?
Because it will. Wait, you think I don't know anything about drills? I know a lot about drills.
Yeah.
And impacts.
Probably because you throw them off bridges
Yep.
and how stupid you are.
Yep.
And
Wait,
how
what? Do I need to tackle you?
You need to tackle Brody.
I tried to. You just a little cookie. Is there fucking Loctite on here? Aww. I stripped it. Son of a bitch.
Eat the oil. Feed the
No,
oil.
you don't put it through there.
Put down.
You don't put it through
But
there.
isn't that where the combustion is?
Okay, you are probably right.
Yeah, that's where the combustion is. It goes
Right
down.
there.
Yeah.
But you
Air
put it
goes in there.
You're gonna foul everything up. You can't expect your engine to run with oil like that.
Not that, like...
No.
But it's like syrup.
Not like that at all.
It's like syrup. Green. It's like green motors. It's like eating raw syrup for engines.
I can barely suck it through the filter. It's too thick.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the filter's just now oil.
I can't see. Turn it back on.
Just black, just jet
Yeah,
black
it's
oil.
black.
Time to blind everyone.
Hey, turn that off.
Can't turn this. Can't turn the light off, so I had to use my finger. Just ignore the red.
It should be mine in a year or so. And then as long as you respect my stuff, you're more than welcome to go and play and do whatever you guys want in there once it's my house. But since it's not, you have to wait until I'm here.
Well, are all the tools yours, or are they?
All the tools down there? Yeah.
Yeah.
And I have some, let's just put it on hold till tomorrow and then we can actually do something with it, alright?
And hopefully get it running.
Yeah, not
Because
use.
it's also, it's gas, and then it's something to do with something inside.
Right. Yeah, you gotta get fuel to it first.
Yeah. To see what's going
Your
on.
spark.
Spark plug's right here. Nope.
You should always try to start your spark plug by your hand instead of something.
No, I
You get
accidentally.
it cross-setted a lot.
I
My
tried.
father told me that, and I used to not do it, and I
Okay.
cross-setted him before.
Yeah.
It's always better to.
I need a Loctite. Once I get it up running, I need a Loctite this thing, which I have Loctite too much.
Loctite what? The spark plug?
No, the screws.
Oh.
This way it doesn't vibrate out. And
Yep. Break apart.
yeah, because I've had that happen with this, because this one's my cousin's. Because he doesn't know how to fix things.
Alright, let's go wash your hands. I got some orange cleaner in there.
Yeah, it's an image of a motorcycle.